Hi friends, thank you so much for joining me today for another video. So today, as my lovely beauty fan member Tashmeen had requested, I will be trying my hand at the Bratz doll challenge. Yes, I'm not really like a transformation type of makeup person, but I do certainly love art, and I believe that transformations are definitely a form of art. I really don't have any practice with it, so certainly really excited, and I'll be showing you the Bratz doll that I will be transforming into today right here. Yeah, she's cute, so let's see if I can make myself look like her. Without further ado, if you guys are interested in seeing how I managed to do this, then just keep on watching. Alright, I'm just gonna take my Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil and start to shape my brows the way that she has her brows, and I have just a reference right on my desk. And let's just go ahead and try to create her brow. Seems to be like a swooping motion here, and then it curves around. And I'll just do the other eyebrow and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm just gonna take some concealer. This is my Wet n Wild, I think Photo Focus. Yeah, Photo Focus concealer, and a flat brush, and I'm just gonna clean up my brows a little bit. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and add the Brow Stylist Plumper Brow Mascara and just kind of set my brows. Right now I'm just gonna start on my eyes. I think that's the most challenging part of this look today. So just gonna take a concealer and apply it on my lids just to give myself a base and cancel out any of my veins coming through. Might as well conceal my under eye while I'm at it. Okay, now I'm just gonna set my eyes and my concealer so that I can blend eyeshadow, you know, without skipping on top of it. I'm just using my Can Make Tokyo Secret powder. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna do one eye and then tell you how to do the other eye. Ta-da! Here it is. This is one eye that's done. My eye shape was kind of difficult to work with in creating like Western features, so I did the best I could with it, but I feel like it didn't turn out too bad. Anyway, I'll show you guys how I created this eye. So basically what I first did was I took the shade called Love Tons from the Emily Noel The Wants palette right here. And I just took that all over the crease with like a pointed blending brush. And that's what I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just sweep this on my crease. I'm also making sure to keep like a more feline shape to the shadow so that I can be true to the Bratz girl's super feline eyes. Okay, now that I have this wash of color that's similar to the Bratz doll on my crease area, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease just like how the Bratz girl is showing. So I'm gonna use that same concealer, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, take it on, oh, not this brush, take it on a small flat synthetic brush and start cutting the crease. Okay, so next I'm gonna take the shade called Cupcake right here. It's like a pinky shimmery shade because I feel like the doll has that same exact color. I'm just gonna put it right on top of the concealer. Alright, that's pretty good. And now I'm gonna take this small tiny smudger brush from e.l.f. and then I'm gonna take this shade right here called Cheer, and then I'm gonna start outlining the cut crease. There, that's more or less good, and I'm gonna start lining my eyes. I did something a little differently because I took a gel liner first and then kind of outlined my lower lash line and then did my top lash line, if that makes sense. I'll show you. Then here I'm just gonna mark like where I want the extension of the liner to come, gauge that to shape out my lower lash line. And then here I'm gonna draw it out so that it kind of outlines like where the lower lash line's gonna be, and then I know how I'm gonna draw my upper lash line. Okay, then I'm gonna just slightly work on the inner corner. Just work to slightly connect it. Okay, now I'm taking a liquid liner, black liquid liner, and I'm gonna start working on the, like so. Just roughly outline it like that, and then I'm gonna thicken it up. Okay, working on my inner corner now. Okay, so now I'm going to take that shade that I used on my crease called Love Tons again. And I'm taking it on a kind of flatter, fluffy brush. I'm going to apply that to the lower lash line just to kind of balance everything out and make everything look more even. Okay, now I'm taking that same black liquid liner again, and I'm gonna start creating these lower lashes because I don't have lower lashes, and I just want to recreate what the Bratz doll has, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Now I'm actually gonna blend out this kind of line a little bit more because I just want to even it out with my left eye. And I'm just taking a shade from the same palette. Now it's called Midwest. It's just like a, I don't know, like a light warm toned brown. And I'm gonna take that to blend out this edge. Right now, time to highlight my brow bone, and I'm gonna take the Oh Heavens shade right here. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation. I'm gonna take my NARS, what is it called again? Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this for a flawless base. Okay, just pump some onto my skin. Oh, there you go. And I don't know if I needed to quite pump this much, but I will apply it as an even layer. And I'm gonna cover my lips too, because I pretty much have to like redraw my lips. I'm just gonna blend this with my Real Techniques brush. And I'm really like globbing it on. Well, not really like globbing it on, but like, you know, applying a ton of this because it's a transformation video. Yeah, I'm just gonna work to spread this all over my face, and I'm gonna go in with a sponge and kind of smooth everything out. Okay, now grabbing my Real Techniques brush, I'm just gonna spray it to dampen it. Then just go in and dab. Just gives you like a more flawless base, and the sponge kind of helps soak up like any extra goop you might have on your face. Okay, let's just set my face because the Bratz doll has a very matte face. So I'm gonna set my face with a ColourPop translucent powder, the setting powder. Alright, next, let's do some serious contouring because my face shape is not like the Bratz doll face shape. So I'm gonna take my NYX highlight and contour palette. I'm gonna take this cooler toned shade. Oh, you can't even see it. Cooler toned shade like right here. I'm just taking like this angled brush and start kind of chiseling out this V line that the Bratz doll has. Like the warmer tone and the cool tone kind of mixed together. I'm gonna bronze my cheeks. The Bratz dolls have like pretty big or pretty wide foreheads, which is interesting. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've been filming this entire time thinking I was done with this eye, but I'm not. I'm like, I need to put lashes on. Holy crap, how did I miss that? I'm gonna go ahead and add lashes on right now. It's this Faux Mink Kiss lashes in the style Teddy. I did like a Kiss lash try on video and this is one of them. I'm just gonna apply this because I feel like it's perfect for that feline look. So I'll just apply this and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have the other lash on, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some blush because this girl has some blush on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this blush. It's the Mellow Wine by Wet n Wild. And just kind of add it like over here in this area. And not that I need to be like super natural or anything, but just to make sure everything just melts together, I'm gonna tap the sponge just slightly over the edges of the blush. Okay, so now I'm also gonna contour my nose, sorta. I mean, this Bratz doll has like almost a non-existent nose. Just gotta blend it out now. Now let's add a tiny bit of highlight. I'm just gonna take this one right here on the NYX highlight and contour. Just ever so slightly, not too much at all. And get the tip of my nose. And add some here too, why not? Okay, so I think the contouring portion's pretty much done and I'm gonna do the main event, which is the lips. So I'm gonna take this Clinique liner in the shade Intense Cosmo. And I'm gonna try lining my lips to look like this doll. Overline like crazy. Like that much. And looks like her lips are turned a little like this. Sort of like that. Okay. Dang, this looks crazy. And time for the bottom lip. Alright, so now let's apply some lipstick. This Too Faced lipstick looks pretty good. Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Sellout. It looks pretty similar to the shade that she's wearing, except it's like shimmery, so I'm gonna add some highlight to it. Like these lips are really pulling the look together now. Okay, so the outline of the lips are done. I'm gonna let this dry a little bit. Now I'm gonna highlight my lips, kind of like how the Bratz doll has it highlighted. Alright. How did I do? I'll be right back. Alright friends, so that is it for the Bratz doll challenge. I hope I did decent. I think it turned out a lot better than I thought it was gonna turn out. So I'm pretty happy with it, and this was a really fun challenge. Thank you Tashmeen for requesting it. I haven't done a challenge like this in a while, so I really had fun, and I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching too and got a kick out of it. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah. Myself when we doing our thing, doing our thing, doing our thing.